Okay, so good morning. I'm gonna show you the main median mode for the scores of our chosen final grade. Now we don't have a given or go to the file for data. Now the Excel. Then choose this okay. Now as you can see, there are the given numbers. Next to show you the mean median mode, choose statistics, then frequency, then to the statistics and mean median mode. Continue it, and we will put the V1 into the right side. Okay, now we can see the answers from the given numbers scores of the final grades of the students. Now we can see that the mean is 38.42, which is below the standard passing scores of the students. It's low. Now for the median, we can see that it is 40.50. Now for the 40.50, we can see that half of the students get a less than 40.50 scores and half of the students get a greater than 40.50 scores. Now for the modes, 41 is the most multiple scores that we can see. 41 is 41 is the most common scores that we can see. 41, I know. Three students got the 41 score. It's a common score that they got. Let's proceed for the standard deviation and variance.